modern manufacturing operations run on data. Supply chain data, performance data, production line data. But at the center of it all is your product data. Manage it effectively, and you can unleash untold potential for your teams and your company. Autodesk Product Data Management helps you reach that potential, enabling collaboration across boundaries so designers and engineers can spend more time solving problems and less time on mundane, repetitive tasks. Move through product development with more agility, with a central source of truth that teams can rely on, with fewer opportunities to introduce errors and risk. Then share that data securely with outside stakeholders to speed up collaboration with suppliers, partners, and customers. With Autodesk Product Data Management integrated into the core of your CAD workflows, what used to take days can be done in just minutes, securely, in an environment you control, to help your teams drive business growth. Autodesk Product Data Management. Unleash your engineering potential.